Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Sustainable Happiness Week 6 Assignment 6. So the first question is, these are the good qualities that people possess is a collection of positive traits that show people's strength rather than a compilation of their fault and issues. So these are the option: characteristics, character strength, character positives, character dimensions. So let's check the answer of our first question. So, question first of 10 called character strength. These are the good qualities that people possess. Is a collect of positive traits that show people's strength rather than a compilation of their fault and issues. So, the answer of our first question is B. Now, the second question is, does distinguishes three aspects of the concept of happiness, pleasure, commitment, and meaning. So, these are the option: Watson, Seligman, Bandura, Kolbe. So, let's check the answer of our second question. So, question second, Seligman distinguishes three aspects of the concept of happiness, pleasure, commitment, and meaning. So, the answer of our second question is also B. Seligman. Now, the third question is, love comes under the virtue of dash. So, these are the option: humanity, justice, temperance, wisdom, and knowledge. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, love, engage in loving kindness. So the answer of our third question is A, humanity. Now let's go to question number four. Humor come under the virtue of dash. So these are the option: transcendence, courage, temperance, wisdom, and knowledge. So the answer of our fourth question is A, transcendence. Now let's go to question number fifth. Research studies show few strength might be considered the happiness strength. Which of the following is not one of them? So these are the option: hope, jest, persistence, gratitude. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, research studies showed these few strengths might be considered the happiness strength. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now let's go to question number six. The strength of dash involves both the giving and receiving of warmth and closeness with others. So these are the option: love, curiosity, altruism, hope. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. Love, the strength of love involves both the giving and receiving of warmth and closeness with other. So the answer of our sixth question is A, love. Now let's go to question number seven. Which of the following is not one of the element of the six P's in upward creativity for business executives? So these are the option: payment, process, press, partnership. So the answer of our seventh question is A, payment. Now let's go to question number eight. Which of the following is not a component of the state of flow? So these are the option: exclusion of distraction, time is distorted, being self-conscious, single-mindedness. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. Question 8. The critical components of this state of flow are single-mindedness, exclusion of distraction, time is distorted. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Now let's go to question number 9. At the ideation stage where the team is attempting to develop new ideas, the leader should encourage dash thinking. So these are the options: divergent, convergent, restrictive, solitary. So let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9. For example, at the ideation stage where the team is attempting to develop new ideas, the leader should encourage divergent thinking. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Now let's go to question number 10. Desk is at the heart of business innovation, and innovation is the engine of growth. So these are the option: creativity, employee salary, eco-friendly practices, none of the above. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, creativity. It's also true that creativity is at the heart of business innovation, and innovation is the engine of growth. So the answer of our 10th question is A, creativity. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.